If you want to improve your English, listen to these questions and answers, and repeat them. Let's jump to the video.
Hi there. Do you have a name?
Yes, of course, I have a name.
What is your name?
My name is Alina.
Where are you from, Alina?
I'm from Oslo. It's the capital of Poland.
Do you think Oslo is a great place to live?
Yes, I think Oslo is a great place to live.
How old are you, Alina?
I'm 24 years old.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a doctor.
Do you love your job?
Yes, I do. I love my job as a doctor.
Why do you love your profession?
I do love my profession because I can save people through this.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I really do.
What do you do for fun?
For fun, I like to go for a movie in cinema.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 24th.
Do you like dogs, or do you prefer cats?
I do like cats, but I don't mind dogs.
Why do you like cats?
I do like cats because they are very friendly to people.
Do you have any friends at work?
Yes, I have several friends at work.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Annie.
Which color do you like the most?
I do like red color the most.
Do you like traveling?
I love to travel.
Why do you like traveling?
I love traveling because I like exploring new places.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't play any musical instrument.
Do you wake up in the morning, or in the evening?
I usually wake up in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Did you go anywhere last week?
Yes, I went to a really cool place last weekend.
Where did you go last week?
I went to the beach last weekend.
Why do people wear hats?
Everyone has its own choice, but I think mostly people wear hats to protect themselves from the sun.
Do you wear hats?
Yes, I do. I often wear hat.
Why? Why do you wear hat?
Hat is a fashion accessory.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Will Smith.
Which season do you like the most?
I like winters.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days because they make me feel cozy indoors.
When did you learn to ride a bicycle?
I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 9 years old.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
What is the tallest building you have ever seen?
The tallest building I've seen is the Empire State Building in New York.
Why did you choose to learn English?
I choose to learn English because it's important for communication and travel.
Can you dance?
Nope, I can't dance very well, but I enjoy trying. This video is for beginner and intermediate level. If you want to improve English, listen to these question and answers, and repeat them. Subscribe for more. Let's jump to the video.
What is the most popular sport in your country?
The most popular sport in my country is cricket.
When was the last time you went to the movie theater?
Never. I prefer to watch movies at home, where I can pause, rewind and fast forward as I please.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
The nearest supermarket is right next to the farthest one.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer neither. They are bad for your health. I prefer energy drinks.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from market.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite is Justin Bieber.
Can you swim?
I can't swim very well, but I like swimming.
Who is the best singer in Hollywood?
I think the best singer in Hollywood is Taylor Swift, and also Katy Perry.
Do you like to eat popcorn while watching movie at the movie theater?
Yes, I like popcorns while watching movie at the theater.
Did you have fun at the party?
I didn't.
Where are you from?
I'm from Seattle.
What's your profession?
I'm lawyer by profession.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be paid for doing nothing.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sport.
Can you play cricket?
No, I play basketball.
Where were you?
I was in office.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Do you like to do work from home?
Yes, I like to do work from home.
Or you live with your family?
No, I don't live with my family.
When are you going to visit your family?
I'm going to visit my family in vacations.
Do you like English language?
Yes, I like English language.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
Where did you learn English?
I learned English from watching TV shows and movies with English.
How do you feel today?
Fine, thanks for asking. And how do you feel today?
Where do you work?
I work in court as a lawyer.
Who is your role model?
My role model is myself in the future.
Who is your competitor?
My competitor is always myself.